Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you this sweat-proof everyday makeup look step by step routine. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please continue watching. So the first step is rose water toner and mist. This one's from Mina Element. It's a beautiful rose water spray, and first I spritz that on my face, and the second one I'm going to use is the Faces Canada Urban Balance facial serum or facial oil. It is super good. I use it every day before my makeup and it works really good as a base for makeup. Trust me guys, it is one of the best facial serums I've ever used, and it's not very oily or it doesn't clog your pores either ways. So then I'm gonna apply my matte primer, since we are doing like a sweat proof makeup, so everything, all the products are going to be matte. So this is the matte primer, and I'm gonna apply that on the oily areas on my face, especially in the T-zone and the mouth area, and then I'm gonna blend that very nicely. Then I'm going to use my translucent setting powder over my primer. So this is a little trick that I do these days so that the foundation doesn't clog my pore and I get a very flawless look. So for foundations these days, again I'm using two foundations because I have a two-tone skin. So the first one is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation, and the second one is the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. So I use two foundations. I mix them both equally and both are matte, which is a very good option for sweat-proof makeup. So first I'm gonna apply that in dots on my face, and then I'm going to blend it with my damp beauty blender. So the key for a very good makeup base is to blend your foundation and your concealer really nicely, so that you get a very flawless looking base and it actually covers a lot of your spots. And then when you use matte foundations, you don't necessarily have to apply setting powder until and unless you feel that your skin is too dry or too oily. So after I'm done blending, I'm gonna apply my concealer. Again, this one's a matte concealer. It's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and I'm gonna apply it under my eye, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, on my mouth area and my jawline. I love applying this concealer because it instantly brightens up my facial features, like where I apply my concealer. So I like it. I like this concealer much. It's full coverage, yet it's very lightweight, and I'm going to blend that in with my same damp beauty blender. After I am done applying my concealer and blending it really nicely, I am going to spritz this hydrating face mist or setting spray. This one's from Tijori, and this is like a setting spray. So after I am done applying my foundation concealer, I like to spritz it on my face and lock in everything, and just I'm going to dab it under my eye so that my concealer or the foundation doesn't move. And then again I am just going to apply my setting powder under my eyes, like I'm gonna bake it. Since my under eye area becomes a little cakey, which is why I want to bake it under my eyes. And now I'm going to move on to my eyeshadow. So for that I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsession palette, and I'm going to use this brown shade since it's like an everyday makeup look. So I love using tones which are brown and nudes. So I'm going to apply that on my complete eyelid. And then moving on to the liner, I'm gonna use this powdery black shadow. This one's actually a brow powder, but I'm gonna use it as my eyeliner because we're doing like a sweatproof makeup, and for that your face needs to look matte because if you sweat, then your kajal or your liner might smudge. So I tend to use this, and it's very beautiful. It's easy to apply, and if it gets smudged by any chance, it's easy to wipe away too. I just dusted off the baking powder that I actually applied under my eyes. Now I'm going to move on to the Faces Canada Ultimate Pro 3-in-1 kit. It's a contour, blush and highlighter kit. So now I'm going to apply the contour from that palette just to give some dimension to the face, and then I'm going to apply the blush so that my face looks a little lively and joyful. I'm applying this lipstick from Lotus Herbals. It's in the shade Coral Grape and it's a beautiful shade. Trust me, I've never applied any orange or coral shade, but this is the first time I'm gonna apply that. It's really beautiful and goes well with my everyday makeup look. Well, your eyebrows and your lashes are optional. If you want to do it, you do it. I usually don't tend to do my eyebrows and my lashes. And here's the look. This is the Sweatproof makeup look. I think you should definitely try it out and let me know if this technique works for you. But I absolutely love this look, and this is like my everyday go-to look. If I'm going anywhere, I just do this makeup look and I'm ready to go out. So this is the final result. I hope that you like it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that this video was helpful. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social medias. Links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
That's why with that halo, these angels, they don't know. Look at this moment in place, see that I'm open to taste. You couldn't come but a fake, loving the words.